Good day, Divergence traders. Oh, did they fucking do their famous chop up? They did it, man. They did it. You know, I think I told you this other day, and I'm gonna tell you again. It's like nearly every day they fucking come and they take it the wrong way, of course. Which they did here, and they bought it off the 600 level, and then they took it back up for anybody selling in here, and their stops were here. They came up and got the stops. See how see how quick it come down after that. Not quicked. How quickly it came right back down. We got fucking railroad tracks, which means the opposite, sell, and down it goes. Then they took it back up and they fucked around here. And then they took it back down to the 600 level. 1, 2, 3 fucking times to the 600 level. And they took it up again. Got everybody thinking, oh, maybe now finally we're going to go up. Right? Did it go up? No. Usually when you see like something like this, stop hunt, stop hunt, stop hunt. That's when you should say to yourself, stop. Holy fuck. Well, I'm not going to sit here and go, oh yeah, I made all this money here and here and here and here. I didn't. I did one trade because I thought we were going to go north from here, twice. Usually they come, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Holy motherfucker. So I lost in here, but once it started taking off up here, this is where I got in, which was way before I should have got in, but I got out right up here. And what did I do? I got back what I lost in here. That's all I did today. So I think I made 20 bucks or some stupid shit. Anyway, but they're famous for this, ladies and gentlemen. Please listen very closely right now. Okay? Not that I'm telling you how to trade. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't tell you to buy or sell anything. But like I said on Friday, the trend is up. If you go and you look at the fucking daily and weekly trend, it's been up since it's been in an uptrend since 2008. I said that, I think, on Friday. And they did it yet again today. They kept tricking everybody, sell, 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 with no follow through. And then finally they took it up to new highs right through here. That's what they did. That's a new all-time high. I think it's a new all-time high. Yeah, fucking. Yeah, it is. It is. We're at no, I'm reading the wrong price. 20,660 right now. So try and remember what I'm saying here, ladies and gentlemen, before you even look at Divergence or anything else. Okay? Not that I'm telling you to only buy. That's not what I'm saying. But I'm just telling you that they've been pulling this trick almost every day or every other day since they started buying this fucking thing back in, let me go look at my other chart here. Monthly. Yeah, like there was a dip in 22. Okay, in the year 22. Well, we'll look at it in a second. But all that I'm telling you is don't get sucked into their sell fakes and then they take it up and get your stop. Don't do it. So anyway, there is no fucking divergence in here. I wouldn't call anything. I just wouldn't. And they took it down and they fucking fucked around. And again, like you can see, the only place you could say, okay, there was a divergence. There was a divergence here. Let me show you. Okay, we got a fucking double bottom. But how the fuck do you know at that point in time it was a double bottom and it was going to work? Would you trust entering right here? Okay, would you? That's the question. Would you trust entering right here to take it up after it just did this fucking shit? All that you're thinking in your mind right here is, oh, this is just a little retracement. And they're going to come down and take out the lows again. That's why I waited till up here somewhere where I got in. Okay, I didn't get in on the entry point. I waited because they already burned me today, right? So anyway, I got fucking in here. I guess like there's one, it's funny. Everybody says that, how do you know? You got to tell them first. You got to fucking tell them. You ever notice that? There's a lot of people, they're talking, they're in mid conversation and then they stop talking and they go, and and then they tell you something else. I've noticed that. Like, I say it all the time too, and I've noticed all over the place. A lot of people say it. Here we go. Higher highs, higher new all-time higher highs right here, motherfuckers. Right there. Yeah, I got out like, I don't know how many nicks from the top. A couple little knickers there. Grease your knickers. You don't want to do that. Yeah, that's the funny thing with us humans. We all grease our knickers. Oh, yes. Yes, it's always safe. Here's some really good advice. It's always safe to stay kind of close to a washroom. Just in case. Because you know how it doesn't come all of a sudden. Sometimes, a lot of times it does. But when it just, boom, comes, it's knocking at your back door and say, I want out. Holy fuck. I'm disgusting talking about his shit and laughing about it. But anyway, yeah. So this is what went on here. I got in. I was brave enough. I said, I got to try and get the money back. And yeah, it happened. See, now they're just fucking around up here. Anyway, that's the one trade. Well, we had some, oh, that's what I was going to grab. The diamond. Right here. Not that one, but this one right here. If you would have bought it right here or even here, look at after that, 2, 4, 6. Now the mucus is coming up. Holy shit. But anyway, here's another one. Here's another one right here. Yeah, see, it's caught in between my fucking throat and my lungs. The fucking mucus. There, I got it. I got a good chunk out there. Okay, so you had 2 of these trades in here. You also had one in here also if, I don't know, if you wanted to fucking sell it. I didn't want to fucking sell it. I only wanted to buy it. Yeah, so it's right here. You would have sold it, it would have been a winner. Remember I told you, you got to sell from near the top when it changes direction. Not down here. Like this retracement right here. I wouldn't do that trade. Because it's too close to the bottom. If you're selling, you got to sell from higher. If you're buying, you got to buy from lower. Right in here, see? Okay. That's enough of that. Let's move on now to the 2-minute mess. What did it give us? Oh, yeah. See, should have been trading the... I said that on Friday, too. I should be trading the fucking ES. Now, I keep going with that fucking NASDAQ. That crazy lunatic NASDAQ. Yes. Okay, hold on. What am I looking for? Oh, I'm looking for a line. Here we go. Higher highs with wicks. Okay. And look at this. See? Beautiful. That's beautiful. You would have sold right in here. Yes, indeed. Ladies. Oh, I'm putting a line there. What the hell? Wrong one. Wrong one. There it is. Okay. Right there, you would have sold there, and it went all the way down. Look, ding, 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 ding. And on the way, there was some higher close. Sell it, down it goes. Oh, we have a hook down right here. Hook down. Because they both closed above the moving averages. Okay, I don't have anything other than the diamond to market. So somewhere in here, just below the wicks or right here, see all these wicks right here? You would have looked to sell it there, and boom, it would have been quick. Within 3 minutes or so, you would have got some nice profit right here. There they say they took it down. Same area spot. R1 they were trading off of with the ES. Yeah, it's coming down some again. Wow, is the fucking NASDAQ coming down again too? Let me go look. Oh, a little bit. Not like the freaking ES. Look at this. There's divergence here too. It's right here. It's double tops. Not only double tops, it's also hidden divergence to go down. See, there was a fake out here first. If you traded this. Oh, I keep forgetting to mark my damn things on the OSMA. Here we go. That's the wrong fucking thing. Holy jeez, man. I can't get it together today. I'm sorry. Yeah, right here. So we had a fake out. There was a sell right in there. You can get faked out on the hidden divergence too. That's hidden divergence right there. And then we had a double top. Okay. So obviously you would get out right here because it's gone back up. See? You would have got out and then you would have waited for the next trade, which is a sell. It's a fucking sell to the downside with the double top. Okay, and the entry would have been right there. And we would have, geez. Oh, come on. Picking up the wrong tools, so sorry. There it is. There's the divergence on the OSMA to sell it. But if you would have done this trade up here and you know and made good on it, whether you got out down here or if you're really lucky down here, you do one and done. What you really want to do here, you know what, is do the least amount of trades possible. Find your setup and do the setup and hope it works out for you. You know what I mean? Because if you keep trading and keep trading and keep trading, you're going to end up with a shit ton of commissions and fees that they're going to come after you for. Okay? Whether you trade for prop firms or you trade your own account with your own money in it, you know, it's going to eat you up if you trade a lot. You try and trade maybe 1, 2, 3 trades in a day, and that's it, if you can do it. Okay, so anyway, so that's all the setups right there. And now we'll switch over to yes, MetaTrader 4. Here it is. Here it is. So we'll make this bigger. Look at this. Look at this mess, man. Look at it. 2 minute, 5 minutes, all a freaking mess. And there's no, these are lines from Friday. There's no divergence down here to fucking buy it. Okay? And there's no divergence here to sell it. Okay? There's no lower close, buy it up, it goes in here either. Okay? But you can see it hit its high here, came back, retraced, came back, got the high again, and now they just wham, down we go. They just rammed it, down we go. I don't think there's much more trading here today. Well, there will be, but it's 11:40 right now. I started doing this video. I waited a long time to do it. Okay, that's it for that. Let's see, what did the S&P give us on the 5 minutes? You could draw a long divergence all the way from here up here, but this mountain is higher than this one. There's no divergence to buy anything and go up there. Well, there is. Double bottom, I guess. Just like that. And you would have got in right there. And how much did it go up? Well, it went up 166 ticks is what it did. And there's no divergence up here to sell it. Yeah, it's a write-off after that. There's nothing there. Okay, let's look at the Dow. Oh, look at the Dow. Wow. That's 930, I bet. You betcha. 1630 is 930 on these charts. Look at how much it went up. 200 fucking ticks in 5 minutes it went up. And look at that shit. It just danced around here, did jack shit. And then they decided to take it down. Now, the only trades you could have done on the Dow are higher close, sell it, and down it goes. Okay. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. It did like 3 of those, and then it finally just kaplutski. Isn't that crazy though, eh? How NASDAQ shot up, as you can see right from here, but the fucking Dow shot down. You know, there are so many traders, they follow the they follow the Dow to make it a decision what they're going to do on the NASDAQ. And you can't do that. There was a time you could. There was. And it really did work well. I know because I used to do it. Don't do it now, though. I haven't done it in a long time because I know it's no longer doing that every day. It does other things like this. It sells off instead of rallies up. It sells off. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar now. Oh, well, beautiful. We have, oh no, not from there. From here. We have higher highs. And this one right down to that little blue doodah, if you can see it. See Osma? Yeah. That's the blue doodah. Okay, so we have a higher close. Oh, no, that's the divergence. That's easy to see bearish divergence is what you're looking at there. Okay, wrong doodah. We need this one. Higher close, sell it, down it goes, and I wouldn't try it down here. The top is way up here. You want to sell from up here, not down here, even though it may have worked out for you. Okay? Oh, so how much did that go down? Nothing. 15 lousy pips. The euro, it'll probably be 7 pips. Hey, we have divergence on the euro. 1. Right there. You would have got short there. Your stop would have been right up here. Now, once it came back, usually I would just jump. I would jump fucking ship right here. I'd say, look at that, 3 bull candles in a row. I'd jump out right here with a small loss. But then, I'd see what would happen after that. And we take this and we move it over here. Double top. And it's still divergent to the downside. They just faked some people out there, is what they did. And how many pips did this one go down and work out? Yeah, see, not much. 9 lousy stinking pips. Let's see what the pound yen did. Oh. Big rally up in the UK session. 90 points. 90 ticks. No, 90 pips. Pips. I don't see no trades in here except for, you know, lower close, buy it, lower close, buy it. You see those. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. See right here, buy it, up it goes. Buy it, up it goes, buy it, up it goes. And again, see? Yeah. But as for divergence, there's no divergence to buy here that I can see. This one's lower than this one. It needs to be less than this over on this side. So anyway, just rallied up, you know, 30 points or so. Wow, there's no fucking trades. Went all over the place with no fucking setups. Like, what the hell, right? You know, low, higher close, sell it. It did go down, but you would have suffered a little bit of drawdown. So if you got short right here, it first went into profit by 9 pips. Drawdown was only 6 pips, and it went down 26 pips. I don't know. What if you bought it in here? Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Yeah, you could have. The 5 needs to be above the 7 to do this. You know that, right? The 5 needs to be below the 7 to do this trade here. That's your guide. That's your like, it's like your master saying, you can only sell now, you can only buy now, you can only sell now. See what I'm saying? It's a guide. These moving averages, I use them as a guide so I don't fucking do the wrong thing and get in trouble. Yes. Look at this nice, beautiful one right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Here's a hook down right here. Boom. Both of this one closed up above the 7. You would have sold it somewhere in here. You would have had a little drawdown. Then it came down nicely for you. You would have got some pips out of that. Okay, Euro, EJ, Euro Yen, what did it do? Oh, double top up here. Okay. Oh, just by a little nick there. Okay. So we just have divergence there. Just, you know, made it kind of thing. And you would have got in long right there. And it went up 77, 78 pips for you. With a whole bunch of lower close, buy it, lower close, buy it, lower close, buy it, and buy it, and buy it. Yeah. Lots of lower close, buy it. Okay. Like that. And you would have got short right there. And it went down 33 pips on the Euro Yen. Your stop was up here. Did it come back to your stop? No. Oh, then we have something even more beautiful. Just like that. Hidden divergence. Right here from this big mountain thing. See? Right there. Beautiful, huh? That's a beautiful trade. It's really beautiful because of the fact that this big mountain here, Mount Everest here, okay, is standing up so high on the chart, it's just screaming at you to sell it in here. And it was correct. It was right. Went down 22 pips. And then there's even another one right here. Yeah. Right there to that wick. And right there down to there. See? Divergence, man. Divergence. Gotta love divergence. And did it work out? Yeah. Went down 31 pips to the bottom. Oh, and on the way, we had a higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. Oh, yes, I gotta get some water. All right, and what do we have down here? Well, I'm pretty sure it's divergence. It's lower lows, right? They had to, all the people who were buying in here, they had their stops right underneath these wicks, and what did they do? They came down and they got your stop. Because you don't know all about that. Some people don't know where to put their stop. I tell you guys day after day where to put them. What am I looking for? One of these. Didn't go very far, but, you know, just 14 pips, but it's still a winner. Okay, what about oil? Holy shit. It's up, down, up, down. Crazy, man. It's just crazy. Yeah. Gold. Oh, look at gold. They sold it off. Let's see what's going on. 15? Oh, they sold it off from way the fuck up here. 390 ticks. But you know what's really crazy? Let me show you. What happened the day before this on Friday? What happened? They fucking had a big long wick for non-farm payroll and they rallied it way the fuck up here. And look what they did. The next day they sell it down 420 fucking ticks, man. Points, whatever you want to call it. Look at that shit. See how they get you? See how it's kind of impossible to try and stay long in a position overnight and then hope then Monday or Sunday open here, you hope it's going to keep going? No. Look what they did. They fucked everybody. That's what it's all about. It's not volume moving that. It's somebody just moving the price where they want it to go. Oh, sorry. I'm not laughing because it's funny. It's not funny. It's fucking awful. Fucking awful. But if you're coming in today as a fresh trader and you go, oh, look, there's higher highs, right? Look down here. Oh, yeah, there's the lower low. So what is this? It's a sell trade, right? And down it went. 224 ticks. That's your trade for that for today. And that was on the 15-minute time frame. Oh, there's another trade right up here. We can't miss this one. See the little blue mountain right there? Boom, boom. And you would have sold right in here somewhere. And this trade did good too. It went down 134 points. And that's the markets that we cover. They're all done now. All done. But let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, they knocked it back down, the bastards. I don't know, man. If this keeps going, we've taken out this support level right here and these support levels up here. We did that on this day. Took out this support. And then on whatever, what is this? Daily, yeah. Then now, as you can see, they took out this level. This is the next level to take out, 5,500, let's say, right in here. If they take that out, holy fuck, is it going to go back down to 38,000 or more? Let's put it on the weekly. Yeah. If they come down to this level, that's 38,000. Yeah, all I can tell you is for those of you who, oh, this is what I wanted to tell you. Okay? I think I've told you before, but listen very carefully again. Another tip is that if you trade the market, you know why 90%, I think I have this figured out. You know why 90% of traders lose or break even at best? It's because they're trading with margin. Okay? Now, when you trade with margin, as you know, you need a certain amount of money in your account to trade this certain amount of contracts. Okay? So, if you're falling shy and you're trying to trade, the margin is going to scare you out of the trade every fucking time. Even with the prop firms, they probably have something set there in the platform that, hey, you hit it, they knock you out. This is how somebody's making a lot of money, is they either have huge accounts or they're not trading the market openly with margin. Okay. So, what I'm about to say is not that I'm telling you to invest in anything, because I'm not, but there's only 2 markets I know of where you don't trade with margin. Okay? Like with crypto, if you buy 1 Bitcoin, okay, it can go to $1 from here. And then they can't knock you out of the trade unless you close it. Okay? Or you sell your coins, I should say, to somebody else at $1 when you may have paid 50,000 for them or for it. You see what I'm saying? So when you get into crypto, okay, if you get into it, it's none of my business. I'm not telling you to get into it. It can go up and down like a fucking yo-yo for years. And as long as you don't sell the coins, you still got them. There's no margin on them. It's the same thing when you trade the fucking stock market. You can get accounts to trade stock with margin, okay? And you can also borrow something else. I don't know. It's all fucking complicated. But anyway, if you say you bought one share of Amazon, okay? It can go up and fucking down for years and years, and as long as you didn't sell it, you can hold on to it. Okay? So say to yourself, say you bought some XRP, say you bought 10, whatever, bought 3, bought 1, whatever. It's gone up and down crazy over the last 6-7 years. If you have the coins, they can't kick you out of your coins. You see what I'm saying? There's no margin. There's no margin call on it. You can hold them forever and ever. As long as there's a market for whatever you buy, say that 1 Bitcoin, you can hold on to it no matter how much it goes against you and shows losses. You can hold on to it because there's no margin. It's the same thing with the stock market. If you buy 1 share of Microsoft, it can go up and down like crazy. It doesn't matter as long as you don't sell it. There's no margin on it. That's how, if you really seriously want to make money, okay, in the markets, trade, invest some money in something you believe in or whatever, okay, and hold it. I'll tell you my deal here. December, I still remember the day. December 23rd, 2017. That's when I first bought some XRP. I've been holding on to it for 7 years now, come this December. 7 years. They can't kick me out of my coins. I got them locked on a ledger. They can't kick me out of them. Because there's no margin on them. You see what I'm saying? You think about that now today, okay, ladies and gentlemen? You think about what I just said to you. But if you come and you trade these markets openly, you know, you have margin. You're gonna get the fear. The fear is gonna come in you and scare you to close your trade or do whatever because there's margin on it. Okay? Okay. Anyway, that's Bitcoin. And XRP, yeah, oh, it bounced back up a little. I don't really care. If it goes up here, it comes back down here. See? See, look at this big spike. Did I sell here? No. No. It's not gone high enough. That's only $93. I want to see it go to $100, $160. If it really quickly, like Ethereum, went up into the thousands, oh God. It will be heaven after that. Okay? But anyway, there's XRP. It's just buzzing around here. I've been hanging on for 7 long years, ladies and gentlemen. Not that I'm telling you to do anything here. I'm not telling you to buy anything, sell anything, smoke anything, drink anything. I'm not telling you to do nothing. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to pass on some advice so that maybe you want to stop trading the futures and trade something with no margin. That's the key. That's how somebody is raping everybody out of all their money in their accounts every time and they blow it up. Whether it's real or whatever, it's because of the margin. Margin's not good. Margin is bad, in my opinion. Okay, let's take a look at silver. Oh yeah, it's still holding up there. And Ethereum, oh, it's bounced off this to a T. See, right here, ding, 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 ding. It's dancing on that line. So the real question is, are we going to take it through here and through this level and down here somewhere? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. But I'll tell you, if you owned Ethereum coins, not to trade on the chart with margin, because if you trade on the chart here, if you don't have the coins and you just trade this, there's margin. They're going to knock you out and knock you out and knock you out if you try and trade crypto or any other thing with margin. Okay? So the lesson of today is, do you really want to survive in these markets? Trade something with no margin. Okay? And like I said, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you the difference between stock shares, crypto coins, and margin accounts. Okay? There's a huge difference. But I strongly believe why I'd say it's even higher. I'd say it's like 98% of people who trade, why they lose? Because they're trading an account with margin. That's it. Okay, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great afternoon. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading without margin. Have a good one.